Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the most useful videos for people who are actively looking for software engineering, data analytics and internship opportunities because in today's video I have three completely different opportunities. The first one is from one of the world's biggest consulting companies. The second one is from a startup hiring software engineers and the third one is a remote internship with stipend going up to 35,000 rupees per month. So no matter whether you are interested in data science, full stack development, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first company. The first company is ZS and they are hiring for the role of Decision Analytics Associate. Now, if you have been searching for analytics or data science jobs, they work with Fortune 500 companies and help businesses make smarter decisions. This position is available in Pune and Gurugram, and candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience can apply. So, fresh graduates as well as early career professionals are eligible. Now, let's understand what you will actually do because many people hear decision analytics and assume it's just an Excel job, but that's completely wrong. This role is more technical. You will work with real business data sets collected from global clients. Your responsibilities is to analyze that data, identify patterns, build analytical models, and help businesses make better decisions. Imagine a company launching a new product. Instead of guessing what customer might like, they will use analytics to understand customer behavior and future demand. That's exactly where your work begins. You will help build models that support those business decisions. The company also mentioned validating hypotheses, preparing reports, and presenting recommendations to stakeholder. So this role is combination of technical analysis plus business thinking. These are exactly the kind of skills that make analytics professionals highly valuable in today's market. Now let's discuss the required skills carefully. The company has mentioned Python, SQL, Excel, machine learning, predictive modeling, Tableau, deep learning, business analytics, and even logistics regression. Now, before anyone gets scared after hearing this long list, remember something important. Companies usually mention their ideal skill set. If you already know Python, SQL, Excel, and have built 2 to 3 decent analytics projects, your profile already becomes competitive. Now, if you have already worked on dashboards using Tableau or Power BI, that's an advantage. Communication and presentation skills. Many people think analytics is only about writing Python code, but in reality, you also need to explain your findings to clients and business teams. If you can't communicate your analysis properly, even the best model becomes useless. Now, coming to the eligibility, the company has mentioned bachelor's degree in any discipline, and candidates with advanced degrees get additional preference. So, graduates from engineering, mathematics, statistics, commerce, or other technical background can also be eligible depending on your skills. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The second company is Rental Circle and they are hiring junior full stack engineers. Now this opportunity is completely different from the previous one. Instead of analytics, this role is all about building actual software products, and honestly this is one of the thing I like the most because many companies hire freshers just to maintain old systems, but here you will actually build features that customers will use. The company itself trying to modernize the rental ecosystem using technology, so you will directly work on production level applications instead of only learning theory. Now coming to the package, the company mentioned around 6 to 8 LPA, which is honestly good for 1 to 2 years of experienced candidates. This role is based in Hyderabad and it's an in-office opportunity. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. Instead of only working on front end or only on back end, this role gives you complete full stack exposure. You will build back end APIs using Node.js, create front end interfaces using React.js. You will design databases using MongoDB and SQL, integrate third-party APIs, debug applications, and improve performance. And finally, you will own features from development all the way to the deployment. That's something many freshers don't get during their job. Nowadays, almost every company is using AI in some way. Here, they specifically talked about AI coding tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Cloud, which means they don't expect developers to avoid AI. Instead, they want engineers who know how to use these tools to become more productive. Let's get into the skills requirement. The core stack includes JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, React.js, REST APIs, MongoDB, Git, and version control. So, if you have been already built merge stack projects or 2 to 3 good full stack applications, this opportunity becomes very relevant. Apart from that, technologies like Next.js, Express.js, Nest.js, AWS, Docker, and CI/CD are listed as nice to have skills. Don't worry if you haven't mastered all of them. These are additional skills that can strengthen your profile but but are not necessarily mandatory for every applicant. Now coming to the eligibility, the company prefers candidates with around 1 to 2 years of experience, and if you have completed internships or full stack personal projects, participated in hackathons, or contributed to GitHub projects, you should definitely consider applying. If you want to become a full stack, backend, or a one stack developer or a software engineer in a startup, then this opportunity deserves your serious attention, especially because startup environments usually provide much more faster learning compared to the traditional companies. Let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. The third company is Swiftly Seva Multi Utility Private Limited, and they are hiring data analyst interns. Now, this opportunity is specifically for students and freshers because this is a remote internship, and the best part is monthly stipend goes from 20 to 35,000 rupees. For a remote internship, that's actually a very attractive stipend because nowadays I'm seeing internships providing 1 to 10k rupees only a month, that too in office work. So yeah, this is pretty well. Now let's understand what you will actually do here. Unlike many internship where interns do repetitive work, this role focuses on actual data analysis. You will collect data sets from different sources, clean and process them, identify trends, build the dashboards, generate reports, and help the business teams make better decisions using data. The company also mentioned developing KPI dashboards and presenting analytical findings to stakeholders. So this is not just a Excel data entry. You will actually learn how business use data for decision making. These are the exact practical skills recruiters expect from entry level data analysts today. Now let's discuss the required skills. The company mainly mentioned Microsoft Excel, SQL, data analysis, dashboard development, data cleaning, reporting, KPI tracking, analytical thinking, and problem solving. Now, if you have already completed courses in data analytics, worked with Excel, SQL, or built dashboard projects, you are already moving in right direction. Another thing I want to mention is that machine learning basics and business intelligence tools are listed as nice to have skills. The recruitment process also includes an online assessment, so make sure you brush up on your basics before applying.